Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn off online status on Viber. Maybe you value your privacy or simply want to go offline and not be disturbed. So today I'm going to show you how to turn off online status on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this More icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, tap on Privacy. Here, since you wanted to turn off your online status in the platform, you simply need to tap on this button beside this Share Online Status option. Once you do that, the button will be unchecked, indicating that you now have successfully turned off your online status on Viber. From now on, your contacts will not be able to see when you are online. Take note that you can only change the setting once every 24 hours. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn off online status on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn off online status on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.